Welcome to the incredible world of wood crafts. Discover how beautifully crafted wooden decor pieces can transform your living space, adding warmth, elegance, and a touch of nature. Join us as we explore inspiring ideas and DIY tips to create a cozy, stylish home with stunning wooden accents. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of wood crafts, focusing on how wooden decor pieces can transform your living space. From stylish furniture, wooden decor brings warmth and natural charm to your home. Whether it's rustic, modern, or vintage styles, wood accents can seamlessly blend with your existing decor. The versatility of wood allows you to create eye-catching pieces that space-saving solutions are essential in today's homes, especially in small apartments or rooms. Wooden craft projects like wall-mounted shelves, foldable tables, and compact storage units maximize your space efficiently. These DIY woodcraft incorporating wooden planters and decorative hangings adds a touch of nature indoors. These crafts not only save space but also enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Hanging wooden planters or wall art can create a calming. Another fantastic idea is creating multifunctional furniture from wood. Think foldable desks, hidden storage beds, or modular shelves. These pieces serve dual purposes, helping you optimize limited space without sacrificing style. DIY wood personalized wooden crafts, such as custom name plaques or engraved decor, add a unique touch to your home. These projects are simple yet impactful, making your space feel truly yours. Plus, thank you for joining us at Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We hope these wood craft ideas inspire you to transform your home creatively. Remember, with a little effort and imagination, wooden decor can be both functional and stunning, making your living space more comfortable and stylish every day.